What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and we're coming to you again with your morning market wake-up call for Monday, June 22nd, 2020. Let's go ahead and jump on into the markets and see where we're going to be starting the day off at. Gold is up nicely past a point of resistance, currently at $17.59.80. Silver is up very nicely as well, breaking over the $18 mark, currently at $18.08, giving us a ratio of 97.33. Platinum also up, currently at $835.45. And palladium, it's struggling, but it has for the last several weeks. Palladium is currently at $1978.75. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at 8,000 even. Copper is up a few cents, currently at $2.66. Aluminum also up a penny, currently at 71 cents. And uranium is steady at $32.85. Barrels of crude oil are down slightly. We're moving into a new month of contracts. The August contracts will be expiring about the middle of July. But currently, those are going off at $39.30 a barrel. We had a mixed day on Wall Street last week. Let's see where those are at. The Dow Jones was down 208 points. It's going to be starting the week off at 25,871.46. The NASDAQ closed out the week at 99,4612. And the S&P 500 will be starting the week off at 3,097.74. Dow Jones futures are up about 200 points, so we expect to see a jump in that as the bell opens this morning. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, we're pretty steady. We saw a little bit of a decline, but we're back up, currently at 94.7330. And if you guys trade in the gold back, those are currently steady at $3. Do expect to see a jump in those this morning once the gold back markets open. In today's video, I'm going to review an article from Bloomberg, but this is an article that's been around on the news cycle for a while. It's actually is about a week old. This is an article about one of my favorite personalities online, David Portnoy. And if you guys don't know who Dave Portnoy is, well, prepare yourself for a special treat. So the article is from Sophie Alexander from Bloomberg. This is titled, Barstool Sports' Dave Portnoy is leading an army of day traders. So let's go ahead and jump in. We're not going to review the entire article. It's kind of lengthy, kind of goes on a tangent towards the end, but let's go ahead and get the meat and potatoes of the article, shall we? Barstool Sports' Dave Portnoy had bought just one stock in his entire life before the quarantine hit. When the country shut down in March, canceling sports and sports betting, the founder of the brash media empire, considered sexist by some, dusted off his old E-Trade account and started day trading. With the volatility, it is kind of like watching a sports game, says Portnoy, age 43, who started live streaming as Davey Day Trader Global to his 1.5 million Twitter followers with the caveat, I am not a financial advisor. Do not trust anything I say about stocks. It's kind of where I'm at. Despite the obligatory warning, Portnoy has touted stocks like Inspire, MD, Inc., and Smith & Wesson Brands Incorporated, while dissing the acumen of Warren Buffett, the world's fifth richest person and widely regarded as one of the greatest investors ever. Quote, I'm sure Warren Buffett is a great guy, but when it comes to stocks, he's washed up, Portnoy tweeted last Tuesday. I'm the captain now. Portnoy and his ilk have been part of one of the greatest rallies in history, adopting the mantra, the online slogan of stocks only go up. Market watchers have been forced to ask to what degree retail interest has become a self-fulfilling prophecy in many parts of the market, and what damages it poses to its sustainability. Thursday's route, this is an older article, this is from 2 weeks ago, the deepest in 3 months, offered a reminder that stocks do in fact fall, though equities rebounded in trading on Friday. Millennials and Gen Zs, the target audience for Barstool content, has long been underinvested in the stock market, says Julian Emanuel, the chief equity and derivatives strategist for BTIG LLC. That's changing. Stuck at home with plenty of free time, government stimulus checks, no sports to bet on, and, for better or worse, a figure like Portnoy turning investing into entertainment. More and more young people are wading into it for the first time. Quote, "It's really been a perfect storm," said Nate Geraci, president of investment advisory firm The ETF Store, who views Portnoy as the millennial Jim Cramer, the CNBC personality. Quote, "Investors are seeing firsthand the thrill of victory, the agony of defeat, and he's doing it with the large sums of money. So I think for young investors, that's really enticing." In January, casino company Penn National Gaming announced that it had bought a stake in Barstool for $163 million in cash and stocks. Portnoy, who estimates his net worth to be more than $100 million, said he put $5 million into his day trading account so far. Quote, "I'm a little surprised that it's become pretty well known within the financial community," said. That's kind of our target audience regardless of what we're covering, and I think Barstool was popular in those circles to begin with. Portnoy, a Massachusetts native with a degree in education from the University of Michigan, founded Barstool in 2003 as a weekly newspaper about gambling with a tagline, "By the common man, for the common man." It has since grown into a media empire synonymous with male frat culture. It has also had its fair share of controversies, and I think we'll probably go ahead and end it there. This article's quite lengthy. It goes into some articles, interviews with college students and how they're getting by, and their gambling habits and what have you. So it kind of fits the filter, I think, for a lot of us. A lot of us in the stacking community, obviously, are taking a gamble on precious metals. For instance, I got a big old fat stack of precious metals right here. I got like 3.5 pounds of silver and a 1/10 gold eagle that we're taking and trading in today, I think. We'll see if we get a good price on that. Silver's making a little bit of a comeback, and gold is as well. So, that's part of the gamble. We'll be using this to invest a little bit more in the smelting operation. We've haven't got that fired up yet, but we will soon. But what do you guys think about day trading? And I don't know if any of you guys follow Dave Portnoy at all. I followed him for quite some time online, and he's definitely an interesting character, and he's making lemonade out of lemons that we've been handed here the last few months, and kept his business afloat. And I think it's great to see that that's continuing. So he's got a lot of people excited in investing, and I hope that maybe someday I can help get some of you guys excited about investing in something other than gold and silver. There is a lot more out there that can be invested in, and even if you just get into ETFs, with gold and silver, there's more to it than just stacking the physical form. I know. Before you guys jump on me, if you can't hold it, you don't own it. I understand that, but this is a game that we play. This is, I understand that there's that mantra. I'm holding $800 in my hand right here, maybe more. And this is mine. I'm holding it. But there are other ways to invest, guys. I know, but I don't know what else to say about it. I've enjoyed investing here the last month and a half now. My Spirit Airline stock is doing well. The Red Lake Mining Company, it's up and down, but I've only got like $20 invested in it, 200 shares. So it is what it is. But you guys, I'd be interested to see what you guys think about day trading and retail investing. Let me know down in the comments. I think it will be great to hear from you guys. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. If you happen to appreciate old NDXP, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. I greatly appreciate that. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want more great content, go ahead and hit that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. If you want to check out some other great content, I'm going to post that card right here. This goes to the latest and greatest video right here. Make sure you hit that at the end of the video. I've been NDXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy. At least I look good. I look good too. I guess I do look a little handsome today.